I'll be with you in 1 second. Oh, it's you. No, it's not like that. I'm happy you're here. I'm just surprised. You don't usually come in this late. You're one of our morning regulars. Of course it's alright, silly. Are you gonna sit at the counter? Yes, so I can chat with you. Would you like your usual or something more hearty for dinner time? The usual? Okay, coming right up. Henson, we have an order. Thank you. Okay, let me get the coffee beans grouted up for your drink really quick. We're running low. Yeah, it's been a really busy day. Everyone in the city seemed to want coffee today. Yeah, it's been a pretty busy day. I guess you could tell from my hair. Oh, does it look nice? Well, thank you. I thought it looked a little messy. What about you? How was your day? Hopefully better than mine. You don't think so? Okay, well, now you have to tell me about yours. Oh, let me grab your food really quick. There you go. You're welcome. How about your day? Yeah, I'm sure. Go ahead. It's pretty dead in here anyways. I could use one of your work stories. Oh? Really? Really? They didn't? Oh, your work is putting too much pressure on you. They did that to you last week too, didn't they? You shouldn't be working so late after your shifts. Well, making up for your lazy coworkers, you shouldn't. Oh my god. No wonder you came in so late for coffee. You need this. You're probably exhausted after all that. What? You didn't come in for the coffee. So why am I making you a cup right now? You came to see me? Oh. No, it's not weird at all. I just wasn't expecting that. Well, you make me happy every time I see you come in too. Here's your coffee. I actually was kind of sad when you didn't come in this morning. Give me that boost of energy I need for the day. Exactly. You're like my cup of coffee for the day. I really am happy you came in though. Oh, hold on a second. Yes, I'll lock up. Bye. Okay, sorry about that. Oh, you don't have to leave yet. I still have to clean up a little. You could stay until I'm done. Oh, you're sleepy? The coffee didn't do anything for you? Okay, well, I guess we both need sleep for tomorrow anyways. Have a good night. Hey, I really am happy you stopped by tonight. Do you think you'll get your coffee tomorrow morning? I'd like if you did this time. Why are you staring at me like that? Do I have coffee dust on my face again? Kiss me? Oh. Yeah. Yeah, you can. Can I give you my phone number? Oh, okay, thank you. Here you go. You have a nice night too. I'll see you tomorrow.